guys, let's go tackle this fan. Get that all cleaned. Little sweetheart. Mom's gonna clean this real quick. I always like to clean this because the flies, especially the chain where you turn it on and off, the flies like to land right here. So I'm hoping this helps that, get some of that dust and dirt off. But I need to back up a little bit, I think. I know another good way to do this, they say, is get a pillowcase and put it in and then, run it down your blade. I don't like doing that. I don't know why. I just like seeing it come off this way. So, alright guys, did I get it all? Alright guys. Alright guys, I got that done. Hopefully you weren't crooked. But anyways, get you a closer look. I really need to paint these again. I took them down and painted them a while back. Well, it's been a year or so. But I really need to do that again. But in the summertime, I'm going to have this going most of the time. And I might wait till fall or winter and do that project. But Yeah, a little dirt that fell down that I'm gonna have to vacuum up, but I just like to circulate the air a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and turn that on. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of this video. This is kind of a hard area to film, so I'll just kind of, after I do something, show you what I'm doing. But this is pretty much my cleaning pantry, like on the bottom. So look at all these Myers cleaners I have in here. They're dish soaps. I'm gonna have to, yeah, bring those out and start using them. But I might even donate some of them I'm not using. But this is the apple cider. That's more for fall. I've got an oven cleaner in here. There's a couple of toothpastes. So I'm gonna leave those in there. But yeah, it's just too hard to film, so all I'm gonna do is grab the last two cleaners back there. I think there's a apple cider spray and another dish soap. So anyways, I'm gonna put all that in here, put that back in. The shout is a refill, so I'm gonna go refill my shout spray for laundry. Other than that, that's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I do need to restock my Cokes in the fridge, so let me grab some of those as well. I'll grab those in just a sec, and we will restock the fridge.
Whether you build homes for a living or want the best for your own.
Alright guys, I pretty much got everything organized in my pantry. I do need to restock. We're going to be going to Sam's Club this weekend, and I'll be doing a restock then. But I did want to get this video up and mention that I did get my pantry area straightened out. I'm going to need probably some more veggies, but I don't know. We don't go through the canned veggies real fast because I like fresh produce. This is more for soups and stews and those kinds of things. But you know what, let me see if I even need to get more of these. And we are growing green beans in our garden, so I definitely probably don't need any more of those. So I think I might hold off. We got plenty of corn and green beans for now. Do need some more diced tomatoes, looks like. And Don's Stokes green chili. He likes keeping this stuff for quick meals. So we'll get him some more of that, and maybe some soups. But for condiments, we're good. We have a whole nother ranch dressing. We got 2 ketchups in here, so that'll last forever. I might get some more peanut butter, but Olive Garden Italian dressing is so good, guys. Highly recommend that. We are good on that. I've got a whole nother Worcestershire sauce back there. I've got Heinz 57 and A1 for steaks. This is like baking, seasoned salt, vinegar. It's got plenty of baking powder. Wow. So we're good on that. This is actually Don's candied jalapenos. You know what? I'm going to put those down there. This is our canned items, like canning that I did from last year. So we need to probably see what we can eat pickle wise. But yeah. Oh, chili. He's good on his chili too. But yeah, I need to restock and add to this. This is the other side. Sorry, it's so hard to film in here. But I keep a lot of beef broth and chicken broth on hand. You know what? We could probably use, well, let's see. Oh, I should get this out. Tazo tea. I'm gonna get that out. That sounds good. I got 4 chicken broths and a lot of, oh no, there's 2 more chickens back here. Okay. So you know what? I'm good on broth. Okay. The Velveeta shells and cheese. That's plenty for us for now. This is the north sides that we love. I'm gonna add to this stash. This is tons of pasta that, you know, we're set with. This is more or less Dawn's pepper and bean section. Got a couple of ramen soups in here. We've got lots of oatmeal left. Lots of Cokes that I restocked. And more coffee. I may pick up another couple bags of that, but other than that, oh, and another vinegar back there. This is actually just cleaning supplies and toiletries. So yeah, we're pretty much set on cleaners. So yeah, like I said, I might get a few more sides and maybe cereal. I think cereal. But anyways, let's take this Tazo tea. This is good. We actually got this at Sam's Club. I think it came in a 2-pack or a 3-packer. And I am gonna vacuum in here and call it good. So it's nice having a little separate room where I can keep all my groceries, extra groceries in. But that'll do it for today's pantry clean with me. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Hope you're having a great week. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.